everyone, I'm Ratna Vora. Welcome to my YouTube channel Legal Platform. Today in this video, I am going to discuss a very important judgment and landmark judgment on the issue of reservation. The judgment is delivered on 1st of August 2024 by 7 judges bench with 7-1 ruling. The link of this judgment is given in the description box for your ready reference. At the end of this video, I am going to explain this case in very short, in very brief for my Hindi and Gujarati speaking viewers. So please stay till the end of this video. साथियों, इस वीडियो के अंत में मैं बहुत संक्षिप्त में इस केस के बारे में हिंदी में बताऊंगी ताकि मेरे हिंदी और गुजराती बोलने और समझने वाले व्यूवर्स केस को समझ सके. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो. To understand the judgment, first of all, we should know the history of reservation. First time, Mahatma Jyotiba Phule has recommended for the reservation to the backward class. Thereafter, Chhatrapati Sahu Ji Maharaj has also introduced reservation in his Kolhapur Resign for the backward class people. And then, as we all know, Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar has advocated for the reservation. In fact, out of the settlement of the Pune Pact, Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar has demanded reservation for the depressed class, oppressed class, untouchable people, untouchable class. And therefore, when the India got independence and when the constitution was drafted, the special provisions for reservation has been kept in Constitution. Article 341 of Constitution of India deals with the reservation to the scheduled caste, and Article 342 of Constitution of India deals with the reservation of ST community. So now I'll discuss the facts of the case, how this judgment has came into existence. In 1975, State of Punjab has given 25 reservation to scheduled caste community, and within 25%, 50% was kept for Mazhabi Sikh and Valmiki Sikh, means 12.5%, and another 12.5% was kept for all the reserved category scheduled caste person. The matter was challenged in High Court and thereafter in Supreme Court also. However, in 2004, a judgment passed by the Supreme Court with the 5 judges bench in the case of E.V. Chennaiya versus State of Andhra Pradesh, and where in that judgment it was held by the 5 judges bench that scheduled caste community is a homogeneous community, therefore sub-qualification or categorization is not possible. Because this judgment was in existence, therefore the case of Davinder Singh versus State of Punjab was not decided at that point of time, and then it was recommended to larger bench, because in E.V. Chennaiya case as well as Davinder Singh versus State of Punjab case, both the cases were decided by the 5 judges benches. Therefore, in the Punjab's case, matter was referred to higher bench, that is 7 judges benches, and then finally on 1st of August 2024, the 7 judges bench has delivered its judgment on reservation. Now the issue before the Supreme Court was that whether sub-classification in reservation is constitutionally valid or not. Whether sub-qualification in reservation is constitutionally valid or not. Finally, while deciding this issue, the Supreme Court has held that there is a discrimination within the scheduled caste community also amongst the other scheduled caste person, and therefore the scheduled caste community as a whole is not homogeneous, it's a heterogeneous, and therefore for the substantial development classification is valid and it's not constitutionally invalid. Moreover, in the same judgment, the Supreme Court has directed the state government that they can make a creamy layer also, and accordingly the sub-classification can be possible in reservation. Hence, finally, Supreme Court has directed the state governments that they can create sub-classification as well as list of creamy layer within SC/ST community. तो साथियों, अब इस केस को मैं बहुत संक्षिप्त में हिंदी में भी समझा देती हूँ। हुआ यूं, 1975 में पंजाब गवर्नमेंट ने मजहबी सिख और वाल्मीकि सिखों के लिए एक अलग कैटेगरी बनाकर रिजर्वेशन दिया और इस बात को हाई कोर्ट में चैलेंज किया गया और उसके बाद ये मैटर सुप्रीम कोर्ट तक पहुंचा। इसी बीच में ईवी चन्नैया वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ आंध्र प्रदेश में 5 जजेस की बेंच ने एक केस डिसाइड कर दिया था और उसमें कहा था कि रिजर्वेशन में सब क्वालिफिकेशन नहीं हो सकता है क्योंकि वह एक होमोजीनियस ग्रुप है, अर्थात एक तरह का समुदाय है, तो उसके अंदर किसी तरह का सब क्वालिफिकेशन नहीं हो सकता है। अब ईवी चेन्नैया वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ आंध्र प्रदेश को भी 5 जजेस की बेंच ने डिसाइड किया था और जो दविंदर सिंह वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ पंजाब है वो भी 5 जजेस की बेंच में आया, तो ये तय किया गया कि इसको लार्जर बेंच में भेजा जाए। इसी वजह से ये केस 7 जजेस की बेंच में गया और 7 जजेस की बेंच ने 7-1 की रूलिंग से 1 अगस्त 2024 के दिन अपना फैसला सुनाया और फैसला सुनाते हुए सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जजेस ने कहा कि आरक्षण में वर्गीकरण किया जा सकता है और साथ ही उन्होंने क्रीमी लेयर के प्रावधान को भी लाया जाए, इस तरह के स्टेट को निर्देश दिए हैं। So friends, this is the end of my video. If you like the information which I have given, so please do subscribe my YouTube channel Legal Platform, as well as please like and share my video as much as you can. Moreover, you can follow me on Insta, Facebook and X also. So that's all. Now I'll meet you again with a new topic, with a new judgment. Till then, Namaskar.